US30 is becoming more and more popular by the day, but a lot of traders do not know how to trade it properly and all the key components that actually go into trading US30. But I will be showing you my exact US30 strategy that I plan to use all 2023 that you guys will be able to replicate in this video. If you want to be personally mentored by me, make sure you shoot me a DM on Instagram and hey, look at this. I had 3 of my mentor students actually get funded recently. Parker got funded with 200K, Wesley got funded with 100,000, and then Marcus got funded with $200,000 as well. So if you want to be my next success story, definitely DM me on Instagram. And lastly, if you guys are new to my channel, I would appreciate if you guys could subscribe if you aren't already, turn those notifications on, and hit that like button if you enjoy this content so far. Now without further ado, let's get into my computer. So we need to know what US30 is. US30 is actually the Dow Jones, and it consists of the top 30 companies. That's why it says US30. So United Health Group, we have Caterpillar, McDonald's, we have all these big corporations and companies that are based in the US that represent US30. So it's really important if you guys want to go and figure out like what the companies are, the top ones, definitely go on Google and type in what are the 30 companies that are in the Dow Jones. So we have US30, but we also have the NASDAQ. This is NAS 100. I don't know if you guys have heard of it or not, but this consists of the top 100 companies in America. And then lastly, we have the S&P 500. You guys can go back and look at these if you want, but all I trade is US30. I have tried the NASDAQ, I've tried the S&P 500. I have had the most success with US30. What I love about US30 is the pip count is so much higher. So let me show you guys what I mean. This was NFP, so let's go to the open of this candle to the high. This was a 3,900 pip move, pretty much 4,000 pips. But look, it had the same exact move pretty much on NAS 100, but if we bring it from here to here, it's only 2,000 pips. So US30's pip count is about 2 times larger than NAS 100, and that means that there's more money for you and me to make. So that is what US30 is. Let's go to the next point now. Now, I believe that timing is very important in your everyday life. You can meet your future husband or wife with good timing, but also when it comes to trading, you want to make sure that you're trading when the money is being fluctuated into the market and out of the market. So with US30, this is the only time that you need to trade US30 and show up every single day consistently at this time and watch what happens. Now, you're probably asking, Colt, why 6:30 a.m.? Why 9:30 a.m. if I'm on the East Coast? Well, at 9:30 a.m. is the opening bell for the stock market, the equities market. That's when it is casino time, baby. That's when the markets are going to be fluctuating. So look at what I mean by this. This is the minute 15 time frame. Every candlestick represents 15 minutes. We have this candle right here. Notice on the bottom we have this time. So look right here when I scroll over this candle. So look at the bottom, 6:15. That is delegating the candle that opens at 6:15 and it closes at 6:30. So after this specific candle closes, boom, it's the market open. All the money is being fluctuated into the market, out of the market. That's just when all the moves are going to be happening. And you can see, look at this next 15-minute candle. It shot up and then it shot down. And then after that, we had this candle, the 6:45 to 7 a.m. candle. We had a reversal candle, a spinning top, and then boom, it shot up. So I honestly believe, I don't even believe this, I know this, the first 30 minutes of trading after the market is the best time. So your key times to be trading US30 are going to be between 6:30 a.m. to 7 a.m. PST. And that's not just like, yo, we're just trading at that time. That's when I want to be taking a position because that's when the volume is being inputted or taken out of the market at that time. So we have like a 30-minute window that we can be trading every single day with US30, but I don't trade Wednesdays. I do not trade Wednesdays. It's just extremely choppy and hard to identify the market. So I trade Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And excluding some news events like This past Friday, this was the 6th of January. So the first Friday of every month, we have NFP, non-farm employment, which is a crazy news event, but I don't trade during this news event. So I was not trading this past Friday, but let's go into the next step now. Now, I mentioned a second ago that the market open is at 6:30, but we need to keep in mind there's certain time frames that have a candle closing at 6:30 and other time frames that don't. So the time frames that I like to be looking at before I enter a trade are going to be the minute 5. So I'm looking at that 6:25 to 6:30 a.m. candle. The minute 15, I'm looking at the 6:15 to 6:30 candle. And the minute 30, the 6 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. candle. And those are going to be my reference candles, basically telling me, okay, what's going to happen? What is this previous candle before the market open doing? Is it already pushing up? Well, if it is a bullish candle, then it's most likely going to be bullish at the market open. Or is it pushing down? And that's going to give us a ton of reference and help. So let's go back and see if we can see a candle that really just shows us the power of the market open. All right, so we have like a bunch of bearish candles right here. And the market open comes out and boom, it pushes down. So a lot of the time, this is a hack for you guys. I'll look at what is happening at the New York session. So the New York session opens up at 5 a.m. PST. I usually look from 5 a.m. to around 6:30, and I'm seeing, okay, what is the overall trend? Is it already pushing down? And I know if the momentum is already pushing down before the market open, then it's most likely just going to keep pushing down. Why not go with the trend? It's just the smartest thing that you can do. So let's go over one more setup and we can see that's Wednesday. This is why I don't trade Wednesdays, because it's super choppy, annoying, difficult to see here, but we can see the 6:15 candle. Notice how it was bearish. Then we had this false breakout and then it actually shot down on Tuesday. So pretty cool to look at that. But now let's go to the next step. I almost forgot about this, but you're probably wondering, okay, when do I actually enter the trade? 5 minutes before the market open? 3 minutes? No. You will do your analysis probably 5 to 10 minutes before the market open. Once you have your bias finally formulated and you're confident with it, you're going to enter the trade 3 to 5 seconds before the candle closes. So just like this candle has 7 minutes and 17 seconds, when that ticker has 3 to 5 seconds left before the market opens, 6:30, that's when you're going to click boom buy or boom click sell, whatever your trade is going to be. Now the last step, I want to show you my overall perfect setups that I look for US30. And these setups usually show up 1 to 2 times a week, and they're pretty much guaranteed like a 99.99% win if you guys see these setups. So let's go to the charts and I'll show you that. Pay very close attention to what I'm about to tell you guys. What I like to look for is a very smooth trend. I don't want to see the markets pushing down and up, then down, then up. I just like to see it very smooth like this. Look at from the end of the New York session on the previous day all the way to the market open right here, the 6:15 to 6:30 candle. Look at how it's just in a smooth uptrend. The trend is your best friend. So we want to look for very smooth markets that are trending to overall give us confirmation on whether it's going to be a good buy or sell. So we can see right here at the market open, we have like this V pattern right here. We have a bullish candle. Right after that, it does press down to be a false breakout and then pushes right up. So you guys want to be looking for those very smooth markets that are just going to be like, oh, this is easy. It's going to be a buy. It's already been pushing up. And this is the thing too. If the market is already pushing up, but it has a bunch of small candles like this, when the market open comes out, look at how big this candle is at the market open. It has these 2 small candles before it. If it has a bunch of small candles before the market open, but all those small candles are bullish, the market open candle is going to be a big bullish candle, and that's where you can catch a really big amount of pips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.